Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the importance of having an online presence, or the 3 strategies that you should really look at when you're starting a business or you're wanting your business to grow in a specific market. So the first one that we're going to talk about is optimizing your company's website. As much of a headache as it is for people that don't understand websites, the amount of time, money that goes into it, you can ask my brother Brad. Websites are so important to the success of a business in today's marketplace, and basically having any sort of online presence. That's where everybody does their research. That's where everybody does their form fills. That's how they find the businesses. So if you're not relevant, and if you don't have a website that stands out or that is optimized to produce leads for you, you are missing out on a massive opportunity. So having somebody, and not you yourself, having a professional or professional company do your website and manage it is number one and is key to your success. Trust me, I built our first website and it worked, but it wasn't functional and it wasn't optimized, and we probably missed out on a ton of traffic and ton of business because of just our lack of knowledge. So number one, get your website optimized. Number 2 is grow yourself on social media. You have to have a social media presence in today's age, not only on Facebook, which you're going to find a lot of people my age and older, which is kind of funny now, Instagram, which is kind of the same deal, but having catchy things on Instagram and not just utilizing like the post part of social media platforms, utilizing all aspects, because honestly, like, I don't even look at posts anymore. I just look at stories, which 90% of the people do now. So having stories that grab people's attention that you can then dump back into a post or to a web page or something of that nature, definitely need to do. And then LinkedIn. If you're going to be doing business to business marketing, you want to be on LinkedIn. You want to build out your network within LinkedIn of professionals that are in your industry, as well as your region, that can help build you out and will have a name and a go-to for certain things that come up within their lives. So we are the foundation repair guys. Like, our people in my LinkedIn network are on our social media pages. We're the foundation repair guys. So anybody, realtor, that has a problem, they refer us to either one of our handles on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. And if you want to get real fancy and get viral, start doing TikTok. As crazy as it sounds, doing quick 30-second videos to catch people's attention, because that's truly all it is you're just trying to catch people's attention. It can help drive traffic as well. It'll drive traffic. It probably won't have the conversion rates as high as somebody that's actually seeking you out, but it will show how up to date your company is with the times, and that you are real people. That's the key. So attention, and make sure you're converting those leads to successful business opportunities. Last one, and this one is a nightmare for me, and it'll probably be for you, is online advertising. There are many platforms you can online advertise. All right, so the number one things that you're gonna wanna advertise on are your search engines. So the 2 big ones right now are Bing and Google. Obviously Google has the most traffic, because whenever you say you're gonna look for something, you don't say I'm gonna Bing something, you say I'm gonna Google something. So having a Google Ads account set up, and not only just set up, but understanding how that works. If you thought building out a website was confusing, jump into Google Ads and understand all the ad sequences, matrix, verbiage, whatever it is, times it by 5, and then you'll start understanding Google Ads and how much of a pain in the ass it is. So get yourself someone that knows what they're doing with it, and then can build out your team. What's great about Google Ads though, and Bing, is you can start seeing like your conversion rates and your cost per click of your ads. So then you can start dialing back like your unsuccessful ads that just cost you money, and put that money towards actual ads that convert. So it's a great strategy to know what people are looking for in that realm, but then also help you out with your organic search and your SEO, just because you're already going to know, like within the web, of those ads, what people are searching for and clicking on. You can then implement it back into your organic and your blogs, your articles, and build out your website that way too, to help drive down the cost and get some of those free leads in the organic market. This is Brian signing off. Till next time, never settle, and never settle for a crappy website.